Very good morning, guys. So today we will learn something about trigonometry. It is a very most important chapter of geometry, and it's very easy. I'm going to explain one by one, step by step. Okay. So today's the basic topic is we will talk about basics of trigonometry, and we will see how we can draw the tables. Okay. So first of all, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is we will learn something in triangle. So as we know, there are many types of triangle like right angle triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and there are one more triangle which is 30 60 90 triangle, 40 45 90. There are so many types of triangles, but trigonometry is purely based on right angle triangle, since because we are going to use in this Pythagoras theorem. So here we have right angle triangle. We will call it as ABC, and this angle should be 90. What is the basic is we will learn some formulas over there like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec and cosec. So we have this much main components of trigonometry. We can call it as trigonometric ratios. They all are trigonometric ratios. So we will learn something nearly about that. So what's our basic is we will going to perform this trigonometry only in right angle triangle. Correct? Now come on. So in this right angle triangle, whatever the opposite side of 90 degree, we will call it as hypotenuse. What is that? We will call it as hypotenuse, and these are two acute angles. These are two acute angles. Why acute? Because the overall measurement of a triangle is 180, and we know one triangle is 90, then other two will be less than 90, and less than 90 we will call it as acute angle. So we can talk about either A or either C. We have two acute angles. So as we will see the theta over here, so we can use either A or either C. Now what is the triangle component have? So triangles have hypotenuse, opposite sides and adjacent side. So we have these two or three, these three component in our triangle. So while we were talking about A, so opposite side should be BC and adjacent side should be AB. Why? So angle A, the adjacent A has two adjacent side. One is AB, another one is AC. But since this is hypotenuse should be fixed. So since this is hypotenuse, the adjacent side should be this, and remaining side should be opposite. Simply when I am talking about C, opposite side should be AB. Opposite side should be AB, and this one is adjacent. This one is adjacent side. So next we will talk about these trigonometric ratios, some formulas. So here we have some formulas over there. I am going to write all the formulas on the basis of this. Okay. So we have formula sin theta, which we can write as 1 upon cosec theta, or we can say that sin is opposite of cosec. Next is cos theta, which is opposite of 1 upon sec theta, or cos theta is opposite of sec theta. Tan theta, which is opposite of 1 upon cot theta. Got it? And we can write either side. Now in right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse, this is A, B and C. So while talking about A, so we have to find ratios of sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, and all we have find. So now what is sin A? Everyone knows the formula of sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. What is opposite upon hypotenuse? What is cos theta? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So how we will learn about that? in triangle. So we have a small, very basic formula due to which we can find all these things. Like, what is sine A? It's opposite upon hypotenuse. So what is the opposite of A is BC. So we will write that BC. Hypotenuse is fixed. So this is AC. Correct? Now I am going to introduce one very small formula due to which we can solve this all. So we have a word. I am going to introduce a simple word, that is OSHA chota. What is OSHA chota? OSHACHOTA. This is what OSHA chota. ये मैंने क्यों लिखा? Why we will write this? We will simply write this just because of to learn what is a sin theta, what is cos theta, what is their formulas. So here, as for sine, what is the formula of sin theta? Opposite upon hypotenuse. This is C for cos. What is cos formula? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. This is T for tan. What is formula? Opposite upon adjacent. We got sine, we got cos, we got tan. Now what? As we know, opposite of sine is cosec. So cosec, what was cosec? Hypotenuse upon opposite. Okay? So what is this? Cosec. What is sec? Sec theta. And hypotenuse upon opposite. What is cot? Adjacent upon opposite. Got it? So here, due to help of OSHA chota, we can find sine, cos, tan, reverse order, cot, sec and cos. This is very simple formula we can write. Just remember one thing, OSHA chota. The spelling is OSHACHOTA. Only these things. Sine, cos, tan. Opposite upon hypotenuse, adjacent upon hypotenuse, and this opposite upon adjacent. Now, so this is just some little bit of basics and some formulas. Now I am going to explain some formula. What was that formula is? As we know, sin theta is opposite of cosec theta, so 1 upon cosec theta. What was cos theta? So cos theta is the opposite of sec theta. What was tan theta? Tan theta is opposite of cot theta. Okay? Now, what is cosec? 1 upon sine. What is sec? 1 upon cos. What is cot? 1 upon tan. This is 6 formula. What next? So next we have tan formula. What was tan theta is also sin theta upon cos theta. What was cot? And we know that cot is opposite of tan, so just reverse this. So we get cos theta upon sin theta. Got it? Now, by using this much formula only, we will going to create a table that is called geometric table. Fine. Thank you. For that, we will go to the next video. This is our part 1 video. Thank you.